RV roof vent fan blade kind of in disarray or cracked or broken or whatnot, but you don't want to go out and buy a whole new roof vent? Well, you are in luck. Hi, I'm Lindsay here at RecPro, and I have a replacement fan blade for our RecPro roof vent fans. So this fan blade's product code is RP-2030, and you may notice that this fan blade is just a little bit hard to see here on camera. That is because it is clear, and it is clear by design because, you know, when you are using your fan and the sun is shining through gloriously, you don't want there to be fan blade shadows swirling around your RV. So this fan blade lets the light pass straight through it so there aren't any shadows in your RV from it, which is really nice, I would say. I'm gonna go ahead and put the dimensions of this up here on the screen for you guys. So this fan blade is really easy to install. You simply take out the motor, or nestle it right on the motor rather, and then tighten it with an Allen wrench, and then you are good to go. This fan blade is made out of a durable plastic material, and it is designed with 10 fan blades going around, which creates an optimal airflow. These fan blades are connected by an outer ring. This helps make it rigid and strong, lasting a long time. If you guys need a replacement fan blade, go ahead and check out the link down in the description box below. And while you're down there, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.